Garlic is commonly used to treat blood vessel disease and high blood pressure. It's important to consult with your doctor if you have heart or blood vessel disease or high blood pressure before using this product. Some herbal and dietary supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's best to check with your pharmacist about the specific brand you are using. It's also important to note that the FDA has not reviewed this product for safety or effectiveness, so it's essential to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow the instructions on the product label and consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Simply take this product by mouth as directed. Make sure to follow all the directions on the product package. If you have any concerns or questions, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you believe you may have a serious medical issue, seek medical assistance immediately. Some common side effects of odor-free garlic X may include bad breath, body odor, upset stomach, or heartburn. If any of these symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to speak with your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to seek medical attention right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as easy or unusual bruising/bleeding. While very rare, a serious allergic reaction to this product may occur. If you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, and if you notice any other effects not listed, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In terms of daily use, the recommended dosage of odor-free garlic X is, insert recommended dosage here. It is best to take this medication, insert optimal time here. Always follow the instructions on the label or as directed by your healthcare provider. Before taking odor-free garlic X, it's important to discuss with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to garlic or any other ingredients listed on the label. It may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so be sure to talk to your pharmacist for more details. If you have any bleeding or clotting problems, stomach or abdominal issues, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Also, if you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, as garlic may increase the risk of bleeding problems. Limit alcohol while taking odor-free garlic X, as it can worsen the risk of stomach upset and bleeding problems. If you are diabetic, have alcohol dependence, or liver disease, be cautious as the liquid forms of this product may contain sugar and/or alcohol. It's important to note that this product is not recommended for use during pregnancy, so consult your doctor before using it. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using odor-free garlic X, as it may pass into breast milk. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with odor-free garlic X, as they could affect how your other medications work or increase your risk of side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some drugs that may interact with odor-free garlic X include protease inhibitors, non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, isoniazid, and medications/herbal products that may increase your risk of bleeding. This product can also speed up or slow down the removal of other medications from your body, affecting how they work. Examples of affected drugs include acetaminophen, azole antifungals, chlorzoxazone, and calcium channel blockers, among others. If you are using low doses of aspirin to prevent heart attack or stroke, you should continue to take it, but consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. It's also important to be aware that odor-free garlic X may decrease the effectiveness of hormonal birth control, potentially causing pregnancy. Discuss with your doctor or pharmacist if you should use additional reliable birth control methods while using this medication, and tell your doctor if you experience any new spotting or breakthrough bleeding. If someone has taken too much odor-free garlic X and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. You can call 911 for emergency assistance or contact your local poison control center for guidance. In the U.S., you can reach the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call their provincial poison control center. It's crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure proper care and treatment. Be sure to schedule and attend all of your medical appointments and laboratory tests. If you forget to take a dose of odor-free garlic X, take it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information on the package, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist. Keep all medications and herbal products out of reach of children and pets. Remember not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed. When the product reaches its expiration date or is no longer needed, be sure to properly dispose of it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.